That is the reason why we are doing housing.
Jatend piny William Ruto koro dwaro mondo duol masolo osuru e pacho ka mano KRA omed kwan joma chulo osuru e pacho ka. Ruto wacho ni kata bed ni KRA timo tich maber e choko osuru, pod nitiere dwaro mar manyo jomoko ma ok osebedo ka chulo osuru. Ruto wacho ni Jo-Kenya duto onego chul osuru ka gidwaro mondo piny owacho otinegi maber. Bende Ruto kwayo KRA mondo med thuolo e wi osuru ma gichoko mondo Jo-Kenya obed thuolo e wi osuru ma gichoko mondo Jo-Kenya obed kod gigi adiera.
Collusion, wanton bribe taking, and general corruption continues to pervade the operations of this organization. There are many people who are encouraged, who are facilitated by KRA staff not to pay tax. And you know what I'm saying is true. You know very well we would be collecting more money than we are doing, but because we have staff in KRA who do not work for the government of Kenya, they work for themselves. And they work for other entities. And their biggest assignment is to assist taxpayers not to pay tax, but to assist taxpayers to evade.
This organization was used in a negative manner to persecute people politically using taxation. And that should never have happened, and it should never happen again.
We are going to do things differently. It is going to be a revenue authority which will be meeting the aspirations of the Kenyans and making sure that whatever the country intends to do, it will be delivered by whatever will be collected in Kenya.